Today what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at checking the voltage drops on the input wiring for an inverter. When you do an inverter installation into your truck or into your trailer, it's really important to make sure that you're getting sufficient voltage to your inverter so that it'll operate properly. I've connected the large leads of my tester to the inverter power and ground. I've connected the external voltmeter leads to the power source for the inverter, which in this case is the battery. While the current is flowing, we'll measure the voltage here at the battery, and then we'll also measure the voltage here at the inverter. And the difference in these two values is going to be the loss that we have in our cables here that are providing power to the inverter. In this case, we don't want to have any more than a ½ volt loss at whatever the value is that we've determined. Okay, we're ready to run our test here. I've made my connections. I've got a 1500 watt inverter here, and I'll go ahead and run the test here. And in this case, after looking at the test results, which is well below the 0.5 maximum drop. So in this case, I've got a good circuit setup, and I'll be able to get good power to my inverter, so when it's operating at full output, it'll continue to perform well for me. So the reason we run these tests is to make sure that you've got good wiring, so that way your inverter functions properly in the vehicle and you don't have a problem with the thing shutting down.